Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. It's another installment of the PBE 2023 mini-series. It's Zombie Claw. And we got this cool Witcher sticker. I bought this. They had a few assorted ones, but had to have it. Very cute. No idea what I'm going to do with it. Look at these boxes. Let's get them open. So first we're going to take a look at this one. I like the way that their label is hollow. That's really cute. This one is a black with a dark blue shimmer. There is some silver reflective glitter and some blue glitter in there. This one is called Hollow Goth Bikini from the MH Summer Collection of 23. Ooh, look at that. That black does go on a little bit sheer, so it's going to be a buildable, which is totally fine. You can see those glitters. There's also some flakes, so it looks like the blues are in fact flakes instead of glitters, but there's that hollow, or not hollow, there's that reflective glitter. That is super, super pretty. I am going to be very excited to use this one opaque once it's built up. I do like to give this one a bit of a chance so that I can show it to you with some buildable coverage, these sheer black ones, because it's really hard to imagine what it's going to look like once it gets there if you're really not able to see it. But I hope this is giving you a better bit of an idea. It's very witchy. Next we have this one. It's a bit of a milky base, kind of a white or a gray, and then it has flakes in here. I can see some of those yellow to orange flakes, but then there's also some pinky purple and some blue. Snow Leopard Cuddles, and if it's from a collection, I cannot tell. Look at that on the brush. Oh wow, the way it goes on. Ew, there's a hair. Get that out of there. We don't need hairs. Wow, this one really goes on thick. It's not going to take a bunch of coats of this. But look at that. That is interesting. And it's going to look really fantastic once you've got a couple of coats on it. Now, because it is so thick, I think it's going to take a little bit longer to dry, but that's okay. Just be careful with it. Next, we have this one. This one's a black reflective, but there are some glitters in here. I can see some little hollow moons and stars and what I believe to be black bats. I am very excited about this. It's called Manifesting Hope from the Look at the Stars and Wish of 2023 collection. We're gonna try and get some of those fancy glitters, and y'all be careful about trying to move your brush around inside the bottle when you're not hanging onto the bottle. I nearly threw it down. But look, we got us a little bat. I want more stuff though. Let me try and fish some out. Okay, we're getting some. I've got some, a moon. I say some, but I got a moon. And then a little bit of a fleck. This may be one that is best poured into a sponge. That way you can pick the pieces you want and do like a placement of sorts. I'm getting them up the neck of the bottle, but actually getting them out is a bit of a challenge. Oh, there's lightning bolts in here too. I've got some. Yes, this is going to be really great for a placement. Otherwise, you're going to have some thick base coat built up. But this is awesome. I am way more pleased with this than I had initially expected to be. I didn't know it had all this cool shit in here. So I'm very excited about it. Look at that. That's awesome. And then last but not least, we've got this one. It's got a bit of a yellow hue. The camera, I feel like, makes it more yellowy, but it's actually yellow. And then this purpley, bluey, pinky, shimmery bit. This one's interesting. It is called Sweet Intoxication from the Phantom of the Opera 22 collection. As a spooky bitch by nature who loves spooky shit, like, this brand is hitting all of my vibes. It's got the aesthetic, it's got the names, it's got the decorations, it's got the vibe. This is my thing. Look how cute this is. It's shimmery, it's purpley, but it's got that subdued yellow that gives you a little bit of melancholy, but then also that shimmer gives you a little bit of ghostly spice. I have to say, I love it. I am very pleased with my purchases from Zombie Claw. I'm gonna have to get some more of their stuff, especially this cool one with these cool bits in here. I don't have anything else like this. The closest thing that I can even say is like Kelly Marissa did put out a top coat that had those back glitters, but it didn't have any of this other stuff in there. So this one is my favorite, actually. Love these. But that's it for Zombie Claw for today. Definitely gonna have to get some more of this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.